Briscoes, we're back with the never-before-tried Tandem German Shepherds. And this would really just be, in case of an emergency, if you do have two of them, you do want to have them doing the same thing. You're not going to practice making this one stay, or you practice this one on heeling. You just use the tether and make them into one large entity that can be controlled instead of two separate ones. Alright, and we've got the Molly factor somewhere. There she is. Alright, so I've got my pager on, and by virtue of the fact that they're tied together and there is tension on that bungee, they really can both feel the pager. So this is hard to do unless you have the two dog. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of see. No. Good. Good. Alright, so I think if I do him and move away quickly, I can get them both going. Mack! Alright, so I've got to do a turn away to gain my control. Heel. Good, good, good. Alright, so that's not as easy as it looks, you guys. Let me try it again. Mack, heel. Good. No, and that's a good time to address that. Down. If they start fighting. Good, good, good. Down. All right, at this point I want to use the collar to keep them down, though. Good. Good. Good, 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 good. Good. All right, I'm going to get them going. Mack, Luna. Good. Trust me, guys, this isn't as easy as it looks. Good. Good. All right, I'm going to get both of them down. I might cue them with the heel. Heel, down. As a precursor to the down, you can say heel, which gets them back a little bit more on attention.